How we doing? How we doing, my people? This is Master Kelvin FX, Eldorado FX, as usual, bringing to you the best analysis as possible in gold, in BTC as well. So this is analyzing with Eldorado FX. Remember, this is not financial advice, but we're gonna do our best always to try to guide you on entries in what you have to do with gold and try and BTC as well. So let's jump into gold straight away. So this week, the past week was really very interesting. The closing of gold. It has been very interesting to see that gold closed bearish in the end. All right. Despite bulls showing control, and also we need to see the monthly candle as well. So we see that the monthly candle closed bearish as well. But guys, I believe that gold have plans to keep pushing up in the end. It's probably gonna drop a little bit more actually to this monthly area. This will be the demand zone for the people that is swinging. Okay, so this is a swing area that I would like to see gold coming and touch it and then keep flying until next year. So that's what I'm expecting. So most likely December will be bullish. As we saw gold try basically to push down, but it couldn't push down. So for swing, I will say that start checking confirmations between 2633 and 2604. That would be a nice swing area to expect going and create a new all-time high. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting for swing. So swing will be check for check for buy confirmations. Okay, for buys confirmations between what? Between 2633 to 2000. In this case, we can go all the way to 2600. Either way, it's at 300 pips area to check for confirmations in there for swing. So we need to check, as you know, go to the lower time frame and check what else can we see there. So let's see if we get the retest of this whole area, or let's see what's gonna happen in there. Okay. Also, if we drop to weekly, we see that also very interesting place here to check confirmations as well in case the gold decide to test the lower levels. But let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, guys, this is another area that we can also have a look in case gold decide to drop and break below 2600. Okay, so this is always you need to have in mind how the market move and the dynamic of the market, because it's very dynamic. Okay, and then that will be another area to check for swing as well. Okay, it's very simple. We check for confirmations and go into the position. Okay, but I believe that gold gonna keep going up again. All right, so let's have a look if we can find confirmations between these areas. So 2564 to 2536. That would be the whole area if we go decide to break 2600. I believe that gold is staying above 2600. It can fly up in any minute. That's what I believe it can happen in gold. Okay, but for now, let's go now and we drop now to find entries for the week. Maybe this could be weekly levels as well. So as monthly is showing us as well, that can happen as well. So we can have a bounce from these support areas. So but now let's focus to see if we find for Monday something for you guys. So we see now in daily that it's creating some bullish candles, but since the week was very slow last week, we basically didn't get massive move. The massive move was this one when the gold dropped from 2,722 area. Okay, but for now, the price is a struggle to keep pushing down. So meaning any given time, any moment, we can find confirmation and keep buying. So this is what I see here, and also the trend lines might be supporting this idea too. All right, so let's see what's gonna happen. But I see even from here that it can, yeah, we have at least the three touches, and let's see what's gonna happen. But for now, let's find a good place to enter tomorrow and give you a setup for at least to go for intraday, because that if you fill the gap or stay above here, this is the zone that is still washing. Okay, this is the area that I would like to see go attack again. It's already there, but let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, this is the whole area that we like to see gold coming down, and then from there give us a bounce. Okay, so let's see if we can get an entry. But the entry will be, yeah, 2,647. The SL, to be honest, I'm not gonna be risking much on this one. But let's see, because we have movement in terms of war and everything. So there's many things going on as well. So we got many news as well. We got NFP coming. So it's gonna be crazy this coming week. It's got a lot of reporters and things going on. Okay. So this is what I would like to tackle and tomorrow to see if I can find confirmation and try to at least go to see confirmations and try to go to these different areas. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting. So entry at 2,647.50 could be. Remember to always check for confirmation, guys. If you want signals, remember that we provide signals, and it's very important that you understand that. 720, that would be the final TP of this setup, and then the stop level, to be honest, would be 2,641. Okay, that's more or less this is what I like to see happening. Okay, remember this other level that we have down here, so also can happen. So that is why we're gonna prepare the plan B, so that will be in case that we have a fake out and breakthrough, that also can happen as well. So but for now, let's not complicate and let's focus on here. Okay, so one moment. So buy idea and check for confirmation. Check for confirmations between 2,656. That basically that would be the area, but in this case, 2,640 and 50 and 2,647. Okay, and the buy idea. Okay, would be 2,000 at 2,647.50, TP 2,665, TP 2,690, TP 2,720. Okay, and then the SL, as I say, 2,641. So that would be a simple buy idea that we're gonna be looking at. We're also gonna check reaction down here in case the price break below the trend line. We're also gonna check the market, how it opens and everything. So remember, if you want signals and you want more guidance, always follow us, and then also subscribe to our signals. Okay, we provide signals daily, around probably 7-8 signals minimum, minimum 5 every day in our signal group. Okay, so now we're moving on to into Bitcoin, but it's not gonna be much to say, because Bitcoin, at the moment is playing around in a bullish range. So we see that Bitcoin is still trying to go above. That is why I'm just gonna recommend, to be honest, to buy Bitcoin in every retracement that you get, guys. That's the only thing I can say about Bitcoin at the moment. And I'm gonna offer you a setup that I might be able to you might be able to profit from it, but let me just see something before. Yeah, and we got the 4 hours here. We got a nice area here that it can work. Okay, so let's see if we get a price coming down here to this area on Bitcoin, and then we can get a buy on Bitcoin from this area. Okay, and then let's refine this entry. And once again, we can see that, yeah, we might get a nice entry here on Bitcoin as well. Okay. So for now, as I say, focus on buying on Bitcoin because it looks like it's not gonna correct now. It's waiting for the 100,000. That's the only thing I can see on Bitcoin. So I would love to have an entry right here at this point. That's the main thing, and targeted the 100,000. That would be the main idea on Bitcoin at the moment because you see that the market just want to fly up. So this would be uh 1 moment. Let me cancel this. The stock level will be just below here, not very much. So then we're gonna have the TP all the way to 100,000. Okay, sorry about that. You know, for some reason it just didn't want to. I probably mistyped something, but that's fine. So yeah, that's what I would like to see Bitcoin come in and pick up this area here. But it will be the whole zone to check. It will be massive. But we like to see it breaking down the zone a little bit, faking out and fly. So that's what I would like to see on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is a check for buy confirmations from 96,782 to 95,000 at 95,827. Yep, 827. And then buy idea 95,827. That would be at for today. 95,827 TP 97,000 TP 100,000. Okay, and then the SL 95,506. This is what I'm looking at Bitcoin at the moment. As I say, this is a bullish range, so it is at the moment. It might just get here and keep flying, or you just keep flying from here. Let's see what's going to happen if this area here, this level, doesn't respond. And if you break it, that would be more confirmation that of the flying of Bitcoin going high, targeting the high, and then going all the way up. That would be a nice confirmation to have for the buyers. Okay. Anyways, guys, this is Master Calvin Effects and Dorado Effects. See you next time and take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.